Begin by unbolting the front of the differential from the frame of the vehicle. Lower it down slowly. Install the JXB inserts on each side of the bushing, with the JXB logo at the bottom. Hold them into place and thread the 2 bolts through. Tighten them each to 5 Newton meters. Lift the front of the differential back into place and slide the mounting bolt back through. Tighten it back together and your installation is complete.